How to create a Gmail account in mobile. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open any browser that you have. I have a Chrome browser, so I'll click on Chrome browser. Once you click on Chrome browser, you search create Gmail. Here I have already searched it, so I'm going to click on create Gmail. Once you click on create Gmail, don't click on create new custom Gmail. Scroll down. Here you'll find an option of create Gmail. Click on that. Once you click on that, here I already have a Gmail account, so this is showing up. So I'll click on the right profile icon, and here I'll find an option of add another account. Once you click on that, click on add another account to device. Once you click on that, here you'll find an option of create account for whatever use you want it, for personal use or for your work or business. Then you fill in your details, your first name, your last name. Once you fill in those details, they'll ask you which month were you born in, day, year, and your gender. Once you click on that, they will show you the options they are providing, or you can choose your own, create your own Gmail. Then you can type in your created Gmail that you would like to portray in the future for any use of your own personal use. Once you click on that, you can add your passwords. Click on next. Once you add that, add your new password, and that's how your Gmail will be made. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.